Master Builder here, and we're gonna watch my friend Taylor. You've seen his videos. He is gonna be opening this Lego puzzle box. He's never been opening a puzzle box before, so it's gonna be very funny.
I can't open it.
I can't open it.
Oh, like that?
Then you have to find a drawer. How are you gonna find a drawer? You still can't shake anything out.
Oh.
You have to use the key.
Oh, this is a key. Oh.
I'll show him where it is.
Oh, he's getting closer to it. This is funny.
Oh no.
Oh, he put it back in.
Do I break it open, or does it automatically
No,
open?
you don't break it out.
Does it automatically open?
No, it doesn't. You see, you would have to shake it out open if it was automatically. But it isn't. You have to use a key, and you have to put the key in the right spot.
Huh?
I'm not saying it to you.
You're not playing on your things. You've been playing them on them all morning. So, no more.
Let's see, Taylor. Woo!
Okay?
You can't figure it out. Give up.
No, I think I hit something.
He got it. He got it. He got it. He got it. Woo! And you could store stuff in that drawer. No one
That's
can get it. Yep, that's it.
Yay, good job. That took me like 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Sorry, I didn't have to figure it out.
Please subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.